So we're back again. Let me turn the lights on. Because we gotta turn the lights on for this. We're still sitting here. And it's like, it's almost iconically funny at this point, right? It's almost like a joke at this point. We're at the end of January now. The end of January. It's January 23rd. And I had the Duo 2 in my hand right here. I got Duo 1 over there in my bed. But we're at the end of January. And we're still waiting on this update. And, you know, this actually was an article that was posted 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. Microsoft Android 11 for the Surface Duo 1 will begin rolling out in the next few weeks. That was 3 weeks ago. We still have no update. And if I even zoom in real fast, this is also posted by Windows Central, Zach Bowden. This was posted on January 4th. So in 2 days, it will be officially 3 weeks since this was posted. And we have no update from Microsoft. No anything from Microsoft. The only thing Microsoft said was at the beginning of this year, the beginning of this month, they said the only reason why Android 11 update is not out yet is because of the fact Google hasn't signed off on it. And you're telling me 23 days later, they still have not signed off on this update. You're telling me 23 days later, when the Galaxy S, I think it's the S20, their update was delayed to January. You're telling me they got their update, but we can't get an update on the Surface Duo. This is really just frustrating. It's really frustrating because this company promised us this update by the end of last year. By December 31st, we'll come out with that update. They decided to push it through and have it signed off in the middle of December, the middle of the busiest month of the year. They have to sign it off then. It gets delayed. Makes sense because it's the busiest time of the year. And then January, they can't get it done. And we're now looking at the end of January. And eventually, the rumors are right now, we're going to get Android 12L on the Surface Duo 1 and the Surface Duo 2. And I'll be honest, I'm really not feeling that we're going to get on the 1. The rumors are the 1, but to be honest, with how this is going and their track record right now, I mean, it's like you want to say, oh, no, don't worry. This is their chance to get it better. This is their chance to fix the wrongdoings and actually make sure that they aren't going to be messing up. And then Microsoft turns that around and goes, do you not know who we are? We don't care. So I would say it like this. Because right now, it's based on what we understand, it's going to be no Surface Duo 3 this year. They're going to be focusing on the Duo 1, Duo 2 this whole entire year and wait for Duo 3 until 2023. I'll say it like this. This is obviously a bad look for Microsoft. And it's been a bad look every single time they've pushed these things back and delayed them 1 billion trillion times. But it also could be, like I said before, they just can't get this to work on Android 11 on the Duo 1. And they don't know what to say. They don't know what to do. Because they claim that they got it, working and it was ready to be signed off on and they're ready to go ahead and just push it out. And then they also said in their claim that they couldn't, they wanted to have a couple more weeks to perfect it and really get it ready to be pushed out. Yet they said they already had it ready to go. So it's like they're going back and forth on their updates on what is going to happen, what isn't going to happen. They were so silent forever. And I think the real reason is they just can't get it to work. For whatever reason, they cannot get Android 11 to work on the Duo 1. Obviously, it works on the Duo 2. And obviously, 12L will probably work on the Duo 2. But if this is the case and they can't get to work on the Duo 1, we're probably just not going to see Android 11 on the Duo 1 and probably not 12L. We're pretty much just going to see Android 10 on this device. And as time goes on, this device will slowly fade into nothingness. And it will fade into a device that was a really cool concept, but it failed miserably. And Microsoft did not support the Duo 1 in any way. And they failed to hit every promise that they tried to make. And I will definitely say, if that is the case, it is smart that they're not making a Duo 3 this year. Because I think they made a Duo 3 this year with how bad this whole debacle is right here. I don't think anyone would buy the Duo 3. it might be the worst foldable phone sales of any cell phone in the history of foldable phone sales. It would be that bad. And you might say that's a really small niche market, but for how much phones are actually coming out every single day, pretty much, we're having a new foldable phone concept coming out and being created, manufactured, it would be an absolute flop. And it would be a waste of money for Microsoft to even do a Duo 3. The only way they can do a Duo 3 next year is if they perfect it right now, this year, with this device. And it's just disappointing. It's disappointing. And I'm pretty sure we didn't even get a Surface Duo 2 January update either, or a January update to the Duo 1. So, looks like they're just not able to get this working out. Will we still get it? It's very possible. We have another 8 days before this month ends. And, I mean, I'm kind of getting scared, I'll be honest, at this point, because I've said this many times in videos, that I feel like they might just push out a crappy update or crappy version of it and just say, you know what, we're tired of dealing with this. We're tired of getting the backlash. We're tired of people getting upset about not having an update. So we're just going to push out an update. And you know what, if it's absolute dog crap and absolute dog water, we'll just push it out and we'll just see what happens. And I'm kind of fearing / expecting that to happen. I'm expecting us to just get a crappy update, a crappy pushed out, rushed out product, and their way of saying, listen, we tried our best, and if it flops with this, at least you guys got Android 11. Be happy enough pretty much that you got Android 11. And that's what I'm starting to feel like and kind of getting scared of. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.